Real quick video, this 1980 Camaro. Looks like it has a lot of modifications done. Check out our website, showdownauto.com, for complete description. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. See other cool cars like this. I'm just doing this for a customer today. Quick walk around. Wilwood disc brakes. T-top car. Cool silver interior. Little stone chip there. The working flapper on the hood. I'll put pictures under the hood at the end of the video. I just wanted to shoot a video of it running. Sounds good. Dual exhaust. Beautiful paint. Automatic transmission. Gauges appear to work. I don't know if the clock's working. They usually don't after a while, but all the other gauges appear to be working. Real nice car. These cars are real hot. Upgraded sound system. Got a Pioneer stereo. Pioneer speakers. A lot of modifications done. It's not your stock boring car. This has got Edelbrock EPS intake, aluminum. It's got headers. Looks like it's got new exhaust. Somebody spent a lot of money building this one. Thanks everyone. Showdownauto.com.